Okay, so let's change this old selfie stick to this new DJI Osmo Mobile 6. It's been out for a few weeks or a month, 2 months now maybe, but let's go ahead and unbox it. I already got rid of the plastic. Here we go. All right, so it's got the unfold the creativity thing. Let's see what's inside. User manual here, and what else is here? There's USB charging cable, and it's got this nice cloth to store your Osmo. And let's see what's in here. So this is the tripod. Let's see this one. Alright, so this is it, folks. This is the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. Here we go. Now this is just unboxing, so just YouTube the other stuff for your all right, here we go. And let's see what else in here. There's this thing to clip your phone and magnet this right here. That's about it. Thank you.